Hi, my name is Martin and I'm the CEO of the newly created Sommer Cable America division, and we're here for the first time at the InfoComm show showing some new and exciting products. Sommer Cable doesn't only make cables, as the name indicates, but also connectors and now electronic products. And one innovation that we're showing here for the first time is a 4-fiber optic connector that allows you to transmit HDMI signals over distances of over 1,000 feet or up to 1,000 feet. And this is the connector that Sommer designed, a proprietary connector where you see the 4 pipes, light pipes, and then this connects to a box that you see here, which has an HDMI connector and also RS-232 that allows you to control your beamer, for example, over this long distance. Here is the power supply connector, and then this is the mating box that is on the other side.
And what's your website?
And you can get more information at www.sommercable.com, and Sommer is spelled with an O, so it's SOMMER.com.